Welcome to HENGKO, a source manufacturer of environmental measurement solutions. In today's demanding industrial environments, stability and safety aren't assumptions, they're results of accurate measurement. That's why HENGKO develops a complete range of instruments, including dew-point transmitters for real-time control of drying and gas systems, temperature and humidity transmitters for continuous process monitoring, and handheld meters for fast on-site inspection. Our solutions are trusted across industries such as compressed air, lithium battery production, semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, and power generation, helping you run safer, smarter, and more efficiently. From technical consulting and customization to after-sales support, we deliver complete measurement solutions, not just devices. For more information or tailored humidity and dew-point solutions, contact us at ka@henkko.com.
HENGKO